Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share to show you. This is some happy mail that I received from Natalie from the Loaded Envelopes Galore More Facebook group. I was actually the guest designer for this swap. It was for the Bento box swap, and if you would like to see the video for that, I did a tutorial on how to make it, and so I'll link that down below. So she sent me this beautiful box. I absolutely love the color combination of the paper and everything. These are really awesome, the burlap flowers, and it was a spring theme, so she's going with the rain spring theme, and I'm not sure. I think this might be authentic paper. I'm not sure, but I love it. I think it is so cute. Down here it says, "Beautiful spring came and nature resumed her loveliness," by Harriet Jacobs. So it is tied up with this gingham ribbon. Love that. I'll show you the outside. Bottom is brown. Handmade by Natalie. I have not opened this up, so I'm super excited. So it is made like a bento box. If you were to go to like a Asian restaurant, and so there are 3 little boxes that come out, and each of the boxes has embellishments and things, and then at the bottom there are handmade cards and other embellishments. So this is really cool. So on top here are some handmade bows. I love these. So cute. I love the double-sided paper. That one's adorable with the rose on top. So pretty. And then here is a tag. That is really cute. I love the clusters of everything. This says "Beautiful spring." Oh, same little quote there. So that's really cute. And then here are 2 of the note cards. This one says "Spring is in the air." And then this one, "Live life in full bloom." It's really cute. And then this box was made with this bird paper. That is adorable. Love that. And let's see. In this little box, she made some rosettes with the paper. It's really cute. I love how she used the scalloped circles for one of the sides. Really cute. And then in this little box, there's 2 more of the tags. Really adorable. I like how she put the twine along the bottom like that. Those are cute. Very cute. And then down below here, here's another set of embellishments. Looks like more, maybe just some clusters with doilies and different embellishments on top. Oh, let me go ahead and open it. If I can get into it. I want to be able to see them, so let's see. I'm just going to try and take this out here. Don't want to rip the paper. All right. That there. It's a skinny little self-sealing bag. All right. Here we go. So here's one. It's really cute. And there's another one. I love the little boots, rain boots. Adorable. Oh, this is cute too. And then these two. Those are so cute. And then she sent this clear stamp. That's really pretty. Hampton art. And then this is the little notebook or journal. On the front she made a pocket. That's really cute. And then on the inside she put a bunch of different papers. So she made it like a little junk journal. So this will be fun. I can use all these pieces here to decorate the journal. Super adorable. And everything fits back in here. Really nice. All right. Oh, this goes down here. Okay. So I hope you guys are all doing well, staying sane. I'm glad to be back doing videos. I've been away for a while. If you hadn't noticed, my daughter was home and I only got her for 3 weeks this time, and she graduated from college, came home for 3 weeks and packed up a room, and we sent her off on Tuesday. So yeah, so whenever she's home I want to be able to, you know, make sure I have time to spend with her. So I just didn't get to making YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm glad to be back. I am actually going to be turning her room into my craft room. So I will probably be having videos with that going on. I'll show you the before and then kind of my progress, and then do a final walkthrough, and we'll see. I have some IKEA cubes coming from a friend who is moving, and I'm buying them for a really good price from her, so that'll be awesome. They're white, and my daughter's furniture is all white, so pretty much going to be replacing her bed with that set of cubes, and then just kind of revamping her room. I really love the color in there already, so I don't need to paint the walls or anything because the walls are painted a turquoise color, and that's pretty much what my favorite colors are, turquoise and purple. So I found some curtains at the thrift store that were new, and they're purple panels, so I'm going to put those up in the room. And then everything else, I have a lot of turquoise stuff. All the shelving and the bookshelves that she has were white, and her desk was white, her chair was white. So I'm going to try and make everything turquoise, purple, and white in there. So hopefully you'll enjoy those videos. I also made a yearbook junk journal. If you want to go and watch that, I put that video up on Wednesday of this past week, so I'll link that video down below. And it is an album that I made for my daughter out of a yearbook, and a vintage yearbook of her college. And I love that. That's another thing that was taking up a lot of my time, was getting that done for her to give to her when she got home from school. So yeah, so I pray that you guys are all doing well, that you're staying safe and healthy, and I will see you again. I have a video coming up with my Cheaply Chic design team. I'm going to be filming that right after this, so I can get that going, and we'll get back into the groove of things. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.